Hey there! In this code, we have built a basic Google search page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. Let's walk through each part of the code in detail. Header. We first create a header section with a flex container that aligns items between the two ends of the container. We have two anchor tags with about and store texts and two other anchor tags with Gmail and images texts. Lastly, we have an image tag with a profile picture. Main. Next, we create the main section consisting of a search bar and two buttons. We have a div container with a flex class that centers the element horizontally. Inside this container, we have an image tag with the Google logo. Afterward, we have a div container with a border, rounded full, p4, shadow, and text.xl classes. This container holds an input tag with a search type used as a search bar for Google search. Lastly, we have two buttons, one named Google Search and the other I'm Feeling Lucky. Footer. Finally, we create a footer section with two flex containers, each containing three anchor tags with various texts like advertising, business, how search works, privacy, terms, and settings. These anchor tags can allow the user to navigate to different parts of the website. Overall, this Google search page allows users to perform a search using a search bar and two buttons for search and a Feeling Lucky option. It is a basic layout that can be expanded upon for a more comprehensive web search engine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.